Along Australia's coastlines, where the land meets the sea, there is an ecosystem quietly working every day to support life. An ecosystem that protects our shores, nurtures wildlife, and helps keep our coastal environments healthy. These are the mangroves. At first glance, mangroves may seem like a collection of trees growing in muddy coastal waters, but look a little closer and you'll discover a thriving world beneath their roots. These ecosystems act as natural nurseries, giving young animals the chance to grow before venturing into larger coastal and marine environments. Without healthy mangroves, many species would lose a critical part of their life cycle. But mangroves do much more than support wildlife. Their complex root systems help stabilize shorelines and reduce erosion. They trap sediments and help improve water quality. They provide a natural buffer against storms and changing coastal conditions. And they are among nature's most powerful carbon stores, capturing and holding carbon within their soils and vegetation. Australia is home to some of the world's most diverse mangrove ecosystems, with around 39 recognized mangrove species found across tropical and subtropical regions. These remarkable plants have adapted to survive where few others can, tolerating saltwater, changing tides, and challenging environmental conditions. For thousands of years, they have played an essential role in shaping healthy coastal landscapes. Yet despite their importance, mangroves face growing challenges. Coastal development, pollution, habitat degradation, and the increasing impacts of a changing climate. Protecting these ecosystems requires people who understand how natural environments function and how they can be managed sustainably. This is where conservation education can make a meaningful difference. Through Envirotech Education's conservation and ecosystem management courses, students may develop practical, industry-relevant skills that can be applied in environmental monitoring, habitat assessment, ecosystem management, restoration activities, and conservation projects. Learning in real-world environments helps students gain a deeper understanding of the ecosystems they may one day help protect. Every mangrove forest tells a story of resilience, a story of interconnected ecosystems, a story of wildlife, waterways, and communities that depend on healthy natural environments. And perhaps most importantly, a story of why conservation matters, because protecting mangroves isn't just about preserving trees, it's about safeguarding biodiversity, supporting healthy coastlines, protecting marine habitats, and ensuring future generations can continue to benefit from these extraordinary ecosystems. The future of our natural environments depends on the actions we take today. By building knowledge, developing practical skills, and fostering a passion for conservation, we can all play a role in protecting Australia's coastal ecosystems. Learn more about conservation and ecosystem management with Envirotech Education's Conservation and Ecosystem Management courses. Inquire today.